Hey guys, it's Aliwa. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Aliwa and this is ZAFRO. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So, for the long time, I think early in my natural hair care journey, I always wanted to try Ayurveda. For those who don't know, Ayurveda, oh my gosh, seriously? For those who don't know, Ayurveda is a system of Indian medicine that focuses on healing mostly with natural products, basically with herbs and plants. It is also known to have very great results for hair care. And when I say great result, I'm talking about scientifically proven result. I have known Ayurveda for a long time. I think back in the days, I used to put henna mask to my mom. But recently, if you watch my previous video, you know that I have experienced heat damage somewhere last year. So it has been a bit more difficult to take care of my hair in between cuts. I have decided to reach out to the Ayurvedic powders to help me just boost up my hair care. Basically, that's just it. Now let me tell you, it wasn't always easy for me to find Ayurvedic powders. The innocent me thought that I could just go in an Indian shop and ask for Ayurvedic powders. You should have seen this Indian lady when I asked her about Shikaikai, Bringaj, Arita, Cassia. She was just like, huh? Anyways, so it wasn't something that I could easily find in Cape Town, like in the mall or Indian shop or spice shop. And I really had to thank Shampoo Natural because, girl, she plugged me with a nice website where I could find the powders that I wanted. And I was so happy. So I recently got my powders and I'm so excited. Today I'm going to unboxing with you. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first time I bought Ayurvedic powders was on Faithful to Nature. I only found, I think, 2 powders I was interested about, which are Brahmi. Let me show you. Yeah, which are Brahmi and Amalaki. Amalaki, I think most people know Amalaki as amla powder. So that's what I got. I got them at Faithful to Nature, but they didn't have all the powders, the other powders I've heard about that I was looking for, until I went, like I say, to the website that Shampoo Natural advised me, and I found I found almost everything. So the website that Shampoo Natural advised to me is Love My Hair. lovemyhair.co.za. Anyways, I'll just put it here. And let me tell you, when I went into the website, I just felt like my young self in the candy shop. Like, when I tell you that I found everything that I was looking for, if not 90% of what I was looking for was there, I was just like over the moon, guys. Like, I was very happy. So today I'm going to unbox with you my order because I went just a little crazy. So it's here. I hope you can see it. If you stick to the end of this video, I have a very nice surprise for you. I don't think you want to miss it. So the first powder that I really had to get is henna. I call it the hair strengthener. It contains a lozenge dye that binds into the keratin of the hair, which makes it a great thickener and a great strengthener. Also, if you have damaged hair, henna is great because the lozenge dye will deeply bind into the hair cuticle to fill any gaps and crevices of damaged hair. Now be careful because henna is a dye, so it will definitely give your hair a slight tint. The next powder that I got is neem powder. I call it the scalp doctor because it will help you treat scalp issues like dandruff, dermatitis, scalp inflammation. It's such a powerful antiseptic that it is scientifically proven to kill lice. It is great to use in deep conditioning or in scalp oil. Next I got cassia, also called neutral henna. So cassia is very similar to henna. The main difference is that the dye deposit on cassia is yellow, which will not show on dark hair. So if you don't like the fact that henna tints your hair, definitely go for cassia. Cassia is scientifically proven to be antifungal and antibacterial. Like henna, cassia strengthens and conditions your hair and also adds volume. Also, contrary to henna, cassia doesn't tend to loosen your curl pattern. It is also important to say that the effect of cassia are short-term compared to those of henna. In average, the effect of cassia will last you 2 to 3 weeks. I also got hibiscus powder. Hibiscus powder is rich in amino acid, which is great because the amino acid will bind with the hair shaft to increase the hair strength and elasticity. Hibiscus powder also has good cleansing properties by its ability to pull out oils. It strengthens the hair follicle, which is great for length retention. It is also known to stimulate hair growth even for dormant follicle. Now, be careful also with hibiscus powder because it can give you a slight reddish tint. Rita powder, also called soapnut powder, also called arita powder, is used as a cleanser and a strengthener. It's nice to combine it with clay. It is known to be antibacterial and it helps a lot with scalp infections. It is said to bring curl definition and shine to the hair. In skincare, it is used to even out pigmentation. It is definitely something that I would add to my DIY shampoos. Next we have bringraj. Bringraj is a plant that also has a lot of great properties for hair care. Bringraj feeds hair follicles. It is scientifically proven to reduce hair fall and to promote hair growth. It helps combat dry scalp and dermatitis. Bringraj is so strong that it is even known to neutralize snake venom. Isn't this powerful? Now we have shikaikai. Shikaikai has great cleansing properties because of its high composition in saponins, which are rich natural foaming agents. And saponins are important because they are such a great grease puller. Shikaikai is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. It is also known to be antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-yeast. Shikaikai is known to nourish the hair follicles. It has also a naturally low pH, which makes it a gentle cleanser. I would definitely combine shikaikai with arita powder in a DIY shampoo. The next one that I really wanted to try is tulsi powder. Tulsi powder, also called holy basil, has strong antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidant properties. It is also used in skincare to treat acne and skin hyperpigmentation, as well as in oral care to maintain gum health and fight bad breath. Now, one of my favorite Ayurvedic powder is Brahmi. Brahmi is also an herb that is great for the scalp. It is rich in tryptopanoids and alkaloids. Tryptopanoids are proven to be antioxidant, they help with wound healing, and they strengthen the hair. Alkaloids are known to make the hair strong and thick by binding into the hair natural protein, which is great for hair growth. Now, one of my ultimate favorite Ayurvedic powder is amalaki, also called amla powder. It is the powder that I found the most scientifically proven fact. I was just wow. Amla powder is proven to regenerate dormant follicle of the hair. It thickens the hair density, it increases the hair follicle count, it is rich in vitamin C. Now, amla powder is scientifically proven to help block 5-alpha reductase, which is an enzyme that is responsible for the production of an hormone called DHT, and DHT is the hormone that causes hair loss. Amla powder helps reverse gray hair. It is antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, it stimulates the hair collagen, it increases the scalp healing process, it flattens the cuticles, it maintains dark hair color, it is very high in iron, vitamin C, it is antioxidant, it will definitely help you with breakage. Guys, amla powder is just a plug. I have a very nice surprise for you guys. I have managed to get all my subscribers a 10% discount on all Ayurvedic herbs from Love My Hair. Isn't this nice? Like, and if you are lucky, actually at the moment they have a 5% discount. So if you are lucky, when this video comes out, you might actually get a 15% discount. Like, what? So basically all you have to do is to put the word ZAFRO after your name when you order your first herbs at the website lovemyhair.co.za. So about the delivery, I ordered my powders on a Monday, and I think the Tuesday was a public holiday and I received them on a Wednesday. Like Wednesday morning, it was at my door. It was very efficient. So don't worry about delivery, they're actually very good. Also, they definitely deliver during lockdown, so not to worry about it. I hope that you're gonna take this opportunity and definitely order your herbs. You don't have to buy all the herbs that I bought, but like do your research, and I really recommend that you try it. And if you tried it, please girl, let me know. Also comment down below if you ever tried Ayurvedic powders, which one are your favorite powders and how do you use them. I would really want to know, so please share with us down there in the comment section down below. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that next time I upload a video you are notified. I love you so much and God bless you. Mwah, 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 mwah.